Hi everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I share my secrets for trading binary options. Today I will be revealing an amazing strategy that can help you boost your chances of success. But before we dive in, I have one quick request. Please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. I guarantee you won't find such detailed and helpful guides anywhere else. And don't forget about my Telegram channel. Message me there for even more valuable insights. And let's start trading together, guys. Let's make this journey into the world of trading exciting and profitable. So, let's get started with today's trading. I have already analyzed and selected all the currency pairs with the most optional price movement and payout percentages. You can see them in front of you. Today we will be using a trend strategy with two trend indicators, Zig Zag with default settings for this broker and a weighted moving average with a period of 15. We will also use the SSI oscillator with a period of 10. My main task today, as I have mentioned, is to analyze the trend dynamics correctly and to identify pullbacks within the trend. We'll be looking for the formation of local highs and lows, which will be shown by the zigzag indicator, and analyzing the overbought and oversold areas on my oscillator. Overall, I think you should have no question. I will explain each trade in detail as I usually do. We will open trades on 1 minute time frame, and let's start with the first trade of $150, which is half of my balance. Let's begin, and I'll select the first currency pair for the most optional entry point. Here I'll open a sell position against the trend direction. Let's open the first trade in the pullback since we already have a local maximum formed by Zig Zag. After this pullback, the price didn't move sharply upwards and kept updating. Now let's focus on the crossover of the weighted moving average from bottom to top. Also, the oscillator's moving line has exited the overbought zone and is heading towards the oversold area. So it makes sense to open a sell trade here. Let's watch the result. The first trade closes in profit. I will leave $150 for the next trade. Let's continue and pick the next currency pair. Here I think this is a good entry point for a buy position, as we are now in line with the trend dynamics. Let's define the working area. We had a local maximum updated by Zig Zag, then the price moved down. At this point, we have a crossover of the weighted moving average from top to bottom. As you have already understood, this is signal for trade. And we also saw an exit from the overbought zone on the oscillator. The moving line of the oscillator is heading towards the oversold area. So, I decided to open a sell trade here. Let's see the result. Unfortunately, the price sharply moved upwards in the previous and current candles. And I am not sure we will win this one. I believe the movement should go down. And I will open a trade again at the next crossover. Let's wait a bit. I will use the maximum of my balance for the next trade to ensure a bigger profit. Let's continue and analyze the next entry. Here, let's open a sell trade. The signal is based on the local maximum update by Zig Zag and the upcoming crossover of the weighted moving average. This is a great entry because we are opening in line with the trend, and all the entry rules are followed. A local maximum update, the crossover of the weighted moving average from top to bottom, and rebound from the overbought zone on my oscillator. Therefore, we open a sell trade here. Let's monitor the result. We got a sharp upward impulse, but the trade eventually closed in profit. It was a lucky trade, but the entry logic was absolutely correct. We couldn't predict the formation of a doji candle, but logically the price should bounce after updating the local maximum. And logic was absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. And well, by all logic, most likely now after a local high update price will bounce a bit, and I think it's all the same. The dynamics of the movement should go down. Let's continue trading. I will probably put a trade now at $130 so that in case of failure, not to go into a strong minus and stay in profit. Let's go ahead and pick up the next currency pair. Here, let's try to open a deal on the very formation of the local maximum, and I opened the deal on the appearance of a new candle. Have here followed a sharp impulse of movement up. It was observed also on other currency pairs. And in general, here as if such an opening goes in the direction of the trend, and here I do not resort to the weighted moving average, focusing more on the dynamics of the trend here. And let's see the result of this trade. Now the price is jumping around a lot and I'm probably going to close the trade in the negative. And the trade closed in the plus side. Great results. A little bit of luck maybe here, yes, but really it's just a little bit of luck. A small pullback, and here is a sharp change in the dynamics of the trend, and that's why I got lucky here. But nevertheless, the price pullback was present and I got the absolutely correct opening point and opening level. And when trading on fast time frames, it is very important. Less probably to fix the result of the work of this strategy. The next two trades I will open at the maximum amount of my balance. I will put $643 per trade, and let's continue, and I will pick up the next currency pair. Here I will open a buy trade. This is a good entry point and the price is touching the previous price corridor. We see a new price corridor forming with a local minimum update. This area of resistance becomes support for the new price corridor. We also see an exit from the oversold area on the oscillator. So let's see the result. The trade closes in profit. The price level worked well, and the impulse to move upwards was strong. I'm very happy with the analysis. Let's open two trades at $1,202 each and continue. If you wanna get free real money to your trading account right now, in the description of this video I will leave a link to this trading platform, my friends. I trade here every day and I write a new promo that gives you real free money to the balance. You can use them for trading. It's best way for practice for beginners. Let's open two trades based on the continuation of the upward trend. The crossover of the weighted moving average from bottom to top occurred. And we also had a local minimum update by Zig Zag. All conditions for entering the trade are met. We also had an exit from the oversold zone on the oscillator. So we will open two buy trades here. Let's see the result. The trades closed in profit. It was a good entry signal and nothing complicated arose. So the trade were closed successfully with a nice profit. Today's profit amounts to $1,960. The observable operation is completed successfully. Today's trading was simple and straightforward with the application of this strategy. I believe you understand how it works now. If you have any question regarding the use of these indicators, you can find the link to my Telegram in the video description. Feel free to ask any question. I will be happy to assist you. So guys, have a great day and good luck in your trading.